You're 2 years old and 2 months, and you can sing Itsy Bitsy Spider.
She's not.
Can you sing it?
I sort of wanted her to eat more, but.
Eden, can you sing Itsy Bitsy Spider? The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water. Spout, spout.
It's coming.
Hi, 7 months old cutie pie. 7 months old, beautiful. I like your room. I like it.
Can you put your legs up in the air? You did it!
Yay!
Can you
Yay!
put your arms up in the air? Arms?
Yay! Oh, look who's here! Look who's
She's trying to crawl.
here! She's trying to crawl. Yay! I'm gonna get a burp cloth.
I need to poop. Like a purple Eden. Like a purple fishes, Eden. It's cute.
Bear? Can you show Eden the? Show her the. Is there a squirrel? Can you show her the squirrel?
Just don't say anything. See what happens.
The purple fishy and the red fish. The purple fishy and the red fishy. The purple fishy and the red fishy. What's that? What's that?
What is that?
But a bear.
A bear. Can I get? Are you throwing the ball? Yes. Throw the ball. La pelota. Throw the ball. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Throw the ball. Here, you want this? Catch. Catch. Catch the ball. That's good. That's very good. That's good. You throw it to Glenda. Can you get the ball? Get the ball. Get the ball. Ah. 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 Get the ball. ¿Dónde? ¿Dónde está la pelota? ¿Dónde? Ah. Yay. Throw again. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Aviva, your sister is saying, uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Do you want the ball?
SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs. Can you get this? Want this? Come on. I think you can get it. I think you can get it. If you want it. Oh, you'd rather be sitting. Hi, Aviva. Thanks for the towel. Aviva, can you do uh-oh?
SpaghettiOs.
SpaghettiOs. Let's do it again. Uh-oh. What do you say? Can you say SpaghettiOs? Uh-oh.
Mommy, go.
Mommy's at a meeting. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
There was a dog, a man, he had a, what did he have, Aviva?
A Mingo.
A Mingo. And Mingo was his name. Oh, can you do M-I-N-G-O? N-G-O. There was a man, he had a... You want to read the book? Here's a book, look. Who's in the forest? Who is that? Do you see the bird? The bird? Who do you see? Say bird. Bird. You're very busy. I think you like to read this book. I think you do. Look, who's got big eyes? Who's got big blue eyes? Fox, squirrel, Aviva's trying to feed Eden some water. Is that what you're doing, Aviva, to your sister? Can you read to her?
We're eating. We're eating.
Look at Eden.
We're eating some.
I see. Hi, Eden. She's going to drink your water.
This is my drinking water.
Yeah, it's your drinking water. You can share the germs. She wants it too. I woo.
Hey, squirrel.
Is it fun? Do you hear the kids? Who are those kids? Do you hear them, Eden? You're 7 months old. Let me hear you laugh. Boo. Laugh. 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 Your sister said strawberry when she was 5 months old. And you're saying laugh. Laugh. La la la. What's over there? Are you talking? Eden, are you talking? Okay. Is that it? One more push. Push. And we reapply the sunscreen. You know about that? Reapplying? Uh-huh. I know. Swing. Yes, I know. What else? It's fun! You get your cousin! Ah, all right, not too... It's probably... Let her swing for a while before you push again. Yay! Yay! Aviva, Ezra, and Lila. And Judah. And Judah's friend Lucas, and Lucas's sister Camille, and Noah on her scooter. Scoot, scoot, scoot. Scoot. Amy. And Dan is with baby Eden.